welcome to this episode, guys. You guys ready? So let's do it. We already lapped all the valves. If you didn't see the last episode, it's worth to go and check it out. Now what I need to do is remove all of those, so those larger ones, and you see there's a number, so I don't need to worry about messing them up. So I'm gonna take them all out of here. One thing I want to point out is, you see I used X carton, if that's how it's called, so it organizes number 1 intake. So this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I put number 12 there so I know where it goes. Now we're going to install the valve seals, which are those little things. They're made out of very resistant material, and what it does is the valve goes right in there and the valve can move freely. Oil won't go up or down, and the compression and explosion and anything, it won't go past this. So you see that thing down there is the valve guide. So the valve goes from the bottom up, and that's where we're gonna put the seal on, and this is how it's going to end up with. I get one of those seals, find a little socket and see if the socket, see in here there's a little part on the side of the seal that is made out of metal, and then you have the rubber part. So you don't want to squish the rubber part, and you don't want it to deform the metal. So you gotta find a socket which is gonna be enough to get right on the side, so you don't have a lot of play. And of course I got all the extensions, so this gives me a good area to hammer. And then you can use a magnet from the top after you drop that one there. Again, you put the driver there and you just tap it. When the tap changes the pitch, it's all the way to the bottom. See, now can you hear the noise a little different? And then I'm gonna put my tool on the bottom. Good. Oh, now is where the magic is gonna start happening. We are gonna get the valves, and which we already lapped, and we're gonna start putting in the engine. This top side here, I know this is the top, so it's gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 1 together, okay? I already did 2. Let's go to the number 4, because it's gonna have more light for you than this one. Have more light than this. And what we do is we got the valve, get some W30 oil and put in here. Go to the 4th. There you go. Push in and boom. So as you see, the valve stem is right there, right? And what this tool is going to do, this tool is going to push this spring here in, leaving this out, and this, if I push, it goes out. And if you look there, it should be out. See? Then you push back in. First thing here, assembly lube on the washer. I'm gonna do some here. We put the washer right there. So you need to help a little. So after lubing everything, the washer is down there. Then we put our lubed spring and retainer, and then we open this guy, and we are going to start pushing in. So you see that's enough right there. Now we gotta get the 2 keepers. It'll be easier if you put them in oil. Get a small pair of pliers or tweezers, better. So there we go. I'm gonna try my best to put this one on the bottom, so the next one can go on the top. There you go. That one down, and now one on the top, and there you go. So once that's done, and done. Look at that. Before I finish this video, I just want to show you what the keepers do, apart from keeping, right? So you see here, they have a shape. It's almost like a cone, and there's a little line in it. This line, see the little cut on the valve? So that line goes in one side of the cut, and the other one has another line which goes on the other side of the cut. This holds the spring in place, so the spring pushes it up and it doesn't let it go up or down. Alright, all done. Took me, let's say, 1 hour, and it looks great. Look at that. All the sides good, and I'm gonna cover to the house, eat something, put some videos together. But the next episode is gonna be, we're gonna put the little buckets on top, and each bucket has a little shim. Measure the shim size to see if we have the proper clearance, and if we don't, we need to buy different size shim sizes, and yep, go from there. But you're gonna learn that on next video, and I'm gonna do that on the next video. So do not forget. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Watch out for the next episodes. If you didn't watch the previous episodes, just go ahead and do it. There's a bunch of stuff happening. Thanks for the support, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.